Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 8, Percentage, Exercise 8A, Question number 7, Basic Level. Question number 7. There are 120 cars in a multi-story car park. Given that 30% of them are blue, find the number of cars which are not blue. In order to calculate percentage of cars that are not blue, first we will calculate the percentage of cars that are not blue. To do so we will subtract the percentage of blue cars, that is 30%, from the total percentage, that is always 100%. So 70% of cars are not blue. Now let x be the number of cars that are not blue, then percentage of x can be calculated by dividing x by total number of cars, then multiply the result by 100, as shown in formula. Here we have given that total cars in the parking lot is 120, and x% is the percentage of cars that are not blue, that is 70, so substitute these values in the formula. Now simplify and solve for the value of x as shown. After simplification we have x equals to 84, therefore, the number of cars that are not blue is 84. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.